All right, it's the Don over my good friend's house. It's got a beautiful, beautiful place over here on the woods over here in Seacon, Massachusetts. Nice little spread, nice tall pines. There's the beach house. Let's come down here. Nice little area here. Ain't this nice? Look at this. It's beautiful. Look at this. Gorgeous. Yeah, look at this. Got a little brook coming through here. Little rambling brook. Oh, this is gorgeous. Huh?
No, all this, all that.
The stone wall.
It held up.
Jimmy, say hi. Just say hi, Jimmy.
Hi.
It's my friend Jimmy. It's my other friend Jimmy.
Go Red Sox. Go Patriots.
Look at this, huh? It's beautiful. Tell me this ain't a beautiful place.
There's a lot of crawfish in here.
Beautiful.
A lot of crawdads.
Crawdads.
About 6 feet deep right there.
Here we are up front. Look at this place. Take all my tubers to check it out. Nice little spread here. Here's the Don's truck. Here's these two snapper heads right here.
Oh, it is nice truck. I don't know, this place went a long way.
Nice Chevy.
Nice Chevy.
Nice Chevy.
Now look at this place. This is perfect. I could live here. Get a perspective on the outside from the side, see? There's you. Hey, bring the shotgun out. Let's take some shots.
One.
All right.
Yeah, 10-4 is big enough. You don't want no 12.
One shot.
Yeah, one shot. What the hell?
All right.
Nobody will be able to tell the difference between that and a fucking firework.
Well, I figured a 410 would be more better because we could all.
No.
I sound like Russ Cat. Oh.
All right. Well, chamber's clear. Absolutely.
Oh, are we going out the back, Jack?
No, my mother keeps in her head.
Oh, Mama hides the shells.
Oh.
She's away from my father.
She's got a big log.
That would be a good idea.
All right, Jimmy, explain what kind of shotgun this is. So I got a couple of gun friends on it.
870.
870.
Yeah, been remade over. Remington Express. You read your dad, so be ready to fire any given time. Read your dad. Safety's on.
Safety's on. It's cocked, ready to go.
Got a short barrel for deer. Jimmy.
No, we're going. You going ground level?
Yeah, okay.
I thought we were gonna go up that tree again.
No, there's a propane tank over there.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Let's go way over there.
All right.
I don't like
All right. Jimmy's gonna set up a.
Oh, let's see some disruption. Yeah, I would say so. Too easy.
All right. Fucking mosquitoes, man.
You're dead, remember. Alright, now how you zooming in and out of this thing? I got it. Don't worry about it, man. All you do is have time. You got to pay attention. Jimmy, get out of the way. Jimmy, get out of the way.
Yes, Shine.
I'm just sorry.
I'm just sorry.
Okay, there it is.
Take your time.
And do it and get it out of there, man.
Filming?
I am, man.
Safety, hold on.
If you're dead, I left it. I would never leave you.
No.
Wait, car, vehicle coming. Have all ears. Cause this is loud.
Right in the middle.
Alright. There's Bill's trying, going. Yeah, I got it. Now I'm good shot, get it out of there.
All right. Bring it downstairs.